we've got a lovely audience, and we have guests that are just dying to get up here and say, hey, let's get this show on the road. I'm Brandon Nelson, your host. On Friday nights, I'm the chairman of karaoke. On Saturday nights for cosplay, I am the one-up pimp. And I want to welcome you. Thank you. All right, so let's see who we got in the audience this evening. All right, who is ready? Who's excited about the cosplay this year? Who's excited about our new dance competition? Actually, DJ competition, the spin cycle. What about our concerts? You guys ready to see some live musical acts? Who's ready to see Born this weekend? Who's ready to see MC Frontalot this weekend? Who's ready to see the Takia Angel fashion show? We have our catwalk installed and ready for use. All right, let's get this thing going. First of all, we have 3 premieres this weekend at Nekocon. The English dub of Chaos Head, the premiere of Bakuman, and the English dub of Heaven's Lost Property. All right, well, let's start off with the guests. We have our artist guest of honor. He's about to come up and say hey to everyone. Please welcome Mr. Don Kinney.
Did he get lost?
Hey everybody. Oh wow, there's a lot of people in here. Howdy. I'm really flattered that Nekocon asked me to be a guest artist, and I'm really happy to be here. And probably most of you have no idea who I am, and but I'm the guy who makes, I don't know if you've seen the big ball-jointed man dolls. Well, I make them. I'll have a table set up in Artist Alley all weekend, and 10 o'clock both Saturday and Sunday, I'll be giving panels on mold making and casting, and if you're interested in any kind of model making, you'll probably enjoy it. So anyway, I'm really happy to be here, and I'm really freaking out right now, so I'll let somebody else come up.
Next to the stage, please welcome one of our international guests of honor. Coming all the way from the United Kingdom, please welcome Akemi Soloway. We will all refer to her as Akemi Sensei. Woo!
こんにちは。 Thank you very much for inviting me, Nekocon-san. And I am very happy here. And today, after this, from 4 to 5, I will do Q&A, and 5 to 6, Japanese etiquette. And tomorrow, Saturday, from 10 to 12, Shinto and tea ceremony, kimono, including Bushido. That's 10 to 12. Then from 1:30 to 3, I like Neighbor Totoro very much. So I teach Japanese language using Neighbor Totoro. And that's tomorrow. And today, I'd like to say thank you to Nekocon attenders, because Nekocon is supporting our charity in UK. We made charity organization for Japanese orphans. After tsunami, over 300 children lost parents, and over 1,000 children lost one of the parents. So in UK, we made Aid for Japan charity organization. So Nekocon is supporting our charity organization in UK. どうもありがとう。ありがとうございます。皆さん、Thank you very much.
Coming up to the stage next, we will be introducing our musical guests of honor. And through the years, we've been working through this company, bringing you high-quality musical acts from Japan. Please welcome Roger from Tainted Reality.
So guys, Brandon, how many years is this in Nekocon now?
Oh Lord, 4?
4!
Yes!
4th time in Nekocon, guys, and it's because of all you. You guys said, we want Tainted Reality bands. Nekocon heard you, brought us back, and we have the biggest band we have ever brought you guys here tonight with Born! So guys, we have some other programming coming here, of course. The main thing is, of course, Born. But we know you guys like to get your groove on after the concert is over, correct? So we made a little bit of a special arrangement with the nice people at Nekocon, and we brought you guys a DJ all the way from Japan, who also just happens to be one of the hottest fashion designers out of Harajuku. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Taki Angel!
Thank you for having me here. ありがとうございます。東京から来ました。I will do the best for wonderful DJ set. 今晩ここで4時間やるんで、ファッションショーもありますので、ぜひ来てください。
Thank you for having me over here. I'm very happy to be here from Tokyo. Tonight, I will be doing a 4-hour DJ set here, and before that, I will actually be doing a fashion show. So if everyone could come, we would really appreciate it.
ショップブースが下にすぐ下でやってるんで、あとファッションショーの後もショーで使った服売るんで、ぜひ見に来てください。よろしくお願いします。
We actually have a booth in the dealer's room also, selling clothes, and also everything that's going to be in the fashion show is actually be on sale at the booth afterwards from tomorrow. So please come. Thank you so much.
Alright, so Tainted Reality, as you may have found out, after last year's outing, we're not just about the music anymore, we also love video games. There we go. And ladies and gentlemen, you guys loved him so much last year. You practically held him up on your shoulders, and you made everybody at this con cheer for him. And ladies and gentlemen, we brought him back. From ScrewAttack.com, please welcome Angel Yum Yum Rodriguez!
What's up, ladies and gentlemen? I look a little different now, don't I? Okay, now I can come up. What's up, everybody? I said, what's up, everybody? Go ahead and give a round of applause to Jacqueline for allowing me to be her accessory today. Jacqueline?
Hi.
Yeah! Thank you very much, Jacqueline. Have a great day. I'll stalk you later. See you. So how's everybody doing today? Okay, let me go ahead and just explain real quick, in case you guys don't remember me from last year. I am basically a ball of energy wrapped in a Red Bull that just drank a Monster. So I'm pretty loud, pretty energetic, and you guys are gonna see me all over this place. And what I want you to do is match my intensity. So when I say, how's everybody doing today? You say, yeah, it's all right. So, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to say thank you again to Nekocon. Thank you again to Tainted Reality for bringing me back out here to have a good time. And I have an honor to introduce one of the coolest gamers, coolest men I know, the mastermind behind ScrewAttack.com, Stuttering Craig! Yeah!
You're ridiculous.
Do I keep a mic?
You You make me sound like I'm way cooler than I actually am. I'm just a big dork.
I think you're pretty cool though.
But we like video games, right? Yeah, okay, so hey, here's the deal. I'm here to talk about my giant crotch plate. This is a Iron Man of Gaming championship belt. And we are giving away, well, to the winner of the Iron Man. You want to talk about that real quick? What's going on with the Iron Man this weekend?
Not really.
Okay, well, so here's the thing. It is easily the greatest tournament in the entire world. We are competing on 7 games this weekend. 3 today, 3 tomorrow, and 1 mystery game. You guys, we already established you like video games. So on Sunday, we're going to be debuting a brand new game, Angel.
Brand new.
That has never been seen or played in public ever before. You guys are going to be the first to see it ever on Sunday at 11:30.
Yep.
So that'll be fun and exciting.
Premiere.
Do you guys like premieres? Do you guys? Yeah. Gets my pants going all crazy.